please observe this ninth question. What they given? R is a relation from natural numbers to natural number. They given this and the relation is defined like this. Okay. Then what they are asking, are the following are true? They are asking like this. First what I'll do, I'll write the given data. What is the given data? Given data is R is a relation from natural number to natural numbers. This is the given information, right? R is a relation from natural number to natural number. And the relation R is defined like this. R contains set of all order pairs where A and B are natural numbers and the order pair must satisfy this condition. A must be equal to B square. Here what I'll do, I'll write some elements in the relation. Okay, I'll write this in roster form so that you will get more clarity. A comma B are natural numbers. Na? So if I take B is 1. Okay, if I take B is 1, 1 is a natural number. Na? What is A? A is B square. That means 1 comma 1 is there in this relation. If I take B as 2, because 2 is a natural number. Okay, so what is A? A must be square of B, B square. So what is A here? A is 4. If I take B as 3, what is A? A is B square. So 9 comma 3. Next, yes, can you tell what order pairs will be there in this? 16. Next, 25 comma 5. Like that, so many order pairs are there in this relation. Now you got clarity that what type of order pairs are there in this relation. Now what they are asking, are the following true? They are asking, are the following are true? Okay, you observe this first bit. They given this one. They are asking, is it is true? Okay, we need to check what they are saying. Order pair A comma A belongs to the relation for all. This is very, very important. For all A is what? A is a natural number. That means for all natural numbers A, for all natural numbers A, order pair A comma A in this relation or not. So suppose you take 1, 1 is a natural number. 1 comma 1 is there in this relation? Yes, 1 comma 1 is there. 2 is a natural number. The order pair 2 comma 2 is there in the relation. Check it. Order pair 2 comma 2 is there. Order pair 2 comma 2 is not in this relation. You can understand that very easily. 1 comma 1 is there in the relation. But they are asking for all natural numbers, the order pair A comma A belongs to the relation or not. So what I'll write? It is not true. It is not true. Why it is not true? I'll give the reason. When it is not true, giving counter example is enough. For example, 2 is a natural number, but the order pair 2 comma 2 does not belong to the relation. That's why this statement is not true. Now you observe the second bit. What they are asking in the second bit? The second bit is like this. Order pair A comma B belongs to R implies order pair B comma A also belongs to R. For example, you take order pair 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1, look here, A comma B, B comma A, reverse order. A comma B, B comma A. 1 comma 1 reverse order is also 1 comma 1 only. So this order pair satisfying this condition. But here we need to check for every order pair. You observe here 4 comma 2. Look here, I'll write first. It is not true. It is not true. Why it is not true? You observe the order pair 4 comma 2 is there in the relation. Please observe here. Order pair 4 comma 2 is there in this relation. Now you check that 2 comma 4 is there in this relation. You observe that the order pair 2 comma 4 is there in the relation. See here, A must be square of this number. 16 comma 4 is there in this relation. 2 comma 4 is not in this relation. Please try to understand. 2 comma 4 does not belongs to this relation. I hope you are understanding. 4 comma 2 belongs to the relation, but 2 comma 4 does not belong to this relation. That's why I can say that it is not true. What they are asking, A comma B belongs to R implies, is B comma A belongs to R? No. For 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4 does not belong to R. That's why this is not true. I hope you understand this. Right. Now what they are asking in the third bit. You observe this third bit. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. When you take two order pairs like this in the relation, is A comma C belongs to R? When you take two order pairs like this, when order pair A comma C belongs to R? They are asking this. Okay, I'll take a pair of order pairs which are satisfying both the conditions. For example, 81 comma 9 belongs to the relation or not? Yes or no? First point, these two are natural number. Second point, A is square of B. 9 square is 81. Yes, this is belongs to R. And at the same time, and I'll write like this, 9 comma 3 belongs to the relation. First point, these two are natural numbers. And second point, A is square of this number. Now you need to check that 81 comma 3. You observe A comma B, B comma C implies A comma C. Please observe here A, C. They are asking for order pair A comma C. Here what is order pair A comma C? 81 comma 3. Now you check that the order pair 81 comma 3 belongs to the relation. See, whatever number is there, that must be, you look here, whatever number is there, that must be square of this. Square of 3 is what? 9. Now the question is 81 comma 3 belongs to the relation or not? 81 comma 3 does not belong to the relation. However, these two are natural numbers, but A is not square of this. I hope you understand. 81 comma 3, order pair 81 comma 3 is there in this relation. Order pair 81 comma 9 is there in this relation, but order pair 81 comma 3 is not in this relation. So what I can say? I can say that the given statement is not true. So the given statement is not true. Why it is not true? I give an example for that. I hope you understand solution of this problem.